Hi guys, welcome to Math with Mr. Hustle. Today, we're going to section 5-3, adding and subtracting fractions. So the biggest thing with this is we need common denominators. So example 1 and example 2 have common denominators, so we're all set there. So all we do is if we have to subtract these, if we have a common denominator, we keep that on the bottom. So my common denominator is x, I put it on the bottom. And then I just subtract the tops. 9 minus 7 is 2. There's my final answer. Example 2, we're adding. We can do the same thing. So the denominator on the bottom is the same. I'm going to put that on the bottom. Then I'm going to combine 11 plus 9, I get 20. And that's my final answer. So common denominators, keep the bottom, add or subtract the top numbers. Example 3, we have different denominators. 1/8 minus 5/6. So we have to find a common denominator. The least common denominator of 8 and 6 is 24. So I look, how can I make 8 into 24, and how can I make 6 into 24? 8 times 3, so I have to multiply by 3 on the top. So 3 times 1 is 3. 6 times 4 got us 24, so 5 times 4 is going to get us 20. Now if I go step by step, I keep my bottom, the denominator, then I go 3 minus 20. 3 minus 20 gets me negative 17, and I keep the bottom again. My final answer is negative 17 over 24. If I look at example 4, again I need a common denominator. I already know that 8 and 6 is going to be 24, so I have 24 on the bottom. And again, 8 times 3, so 1 times 3 gets us 3. 6 times 4, 5x times 4 is going to get us 20x. And I'm going to subtract. I'm going to keep 24 on the bottom. And I'm going to put 3 minus 20x. And since 3 and 20x are not like terms, this is my final answer. I can't simplify that any further. Example 5. We have whole numbers as well. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this down. 5 is going to stay out, and I'm going to have 3/4 plus 7 over 8. Now I need a common denominator. I can make 4 into an 8. So I'm going to do that 4 times 2 and 3 times 2. So 6 over 8 plus 7 over 8. And I'm going to bring my 5 down as well. Keep the bottom as 8. 6 plus 7 is 13. 5 and 13/8. Which, if I look, my top number, my numerator, is bigger than the bottom. And I can take an 8 out of it. So 8 out of 13 is going to be 5 over 8. I took a 1 out plus the 5. So my final answer is 6 and 5/8. And that's it. That's all guys, don't forget to subscribe.